Today I have a mini magnetic toy puzzles for your kids. It's suitable for 3+ age. It has a 46 different pieces. It's perfect to create some different buildings, some different kind of animals, toys. Your children can learn how to imagine, how to create something new. It's very simple of using. It comes with good box which you can put everything inside. This toys has a perfect magnetic. You can easily use this these magnets for a gift for your friends and family. I think your children will like it, and I highly recommend this.